So we are back in our studio, and that these are the leaves which I have chosen today. So we'll paint these leaves today, and this is called nature study. We are observing and we are painting from nature. So today we'll paint these leaves, which will be our still life painting, and these are the references. You can see the details. What you have to do is you have to work on the details, and you have to see all the details closely and then paint these leaves. Let's get started. So our painting is done. Nature study, watercolor painting, still life. Okay, so all you have to do is practice, and for practice always choose a reference which is in front of you, rather than searching from Google, taking out your references from Google and then painting from the reference which is not physically present in front of you. You will not able to observe more details. If you have a reference in front of you like this, you can see all the details. You can see all the details, all the colors, and you can make the colors easily. So do practice, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Do subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.